Concordia was the Roman goddess of harmony, unity, and agreement, embodying the ideals of peace and cooperation that were essential to the stability of Rome. Her influence extended beyond personal relationships to the political and social fabric of the empire, reminding Romans that strength was found not just in conquest, but in the ability to maintain order and unity. The name Concordia comes from the Latin word concordia, meaning agreement or harmony. She was often depicted holding an olive branch or a cornucopia, symbols of peace and abundance, and sometimes clasping hands with others, reinforcing the idea of mutual understanding and reconciliation. She was particularly honored in times of political strife, serving as a reminder that the success of Rome depended on cooperation rather than division. Her worship was closely tied to Rome's political institutions. The Temple of Concord, dedicated in 367 BCE, stood in the Roman Forum, a place where political negotiations and decisions were made. This temple was built in response to tensions between the patricians and plebeians, two social classes that often clashed over power and rights. By dedicating a temple to Concordia, the Romans acknowledged that lasting governance required balance and cooperation rather than domination by one side. Later, during times of civil war and unrest, leaders such as Augustus emphasized Concordia as a guiding principle, using her image on coins and monuments to promote the idea of unity under his rule. Beyond politics, Concordia played a role in family and social relationships. Romans saw her as a protector of marital harmony, friendship, and civic peace. She was invoked in times of conflict, whether between individuals or larger factions, as a reminder that discord could threaten the foundations of society. Maintaining harmony was not seen as mere passivity, but as an active effort to resolve disputes and foster cooperation. Her significance extended into the broader Roman worldview. Rome's ability to maintain stability over vast territories depended not only on military strength, but on the ability to integrate diverse cultures under a shared system. The Pax Romana, a period of relative peace that lasted for over 2 centuries, reflected the importance of Concordia in maintaining order across the empire. The Romans understood that unity did not mean eliminating differences, but finding ways to coexist within them. The lessons of Concordia remain relevant. Societies still struggle with political division, social unrest, and conflicts that threaten stability. The ability to find common ground, to build bridges rather than walls, is as essential now as it was in ancient Rome. Concordia's legacy reminds that true strength is not in domination, but in the ability to bring people together, creating a foundation where peace and prosperity can thrive.